If you've made a transaction on Xbox that you want to cancel before it completes, follow these steps to ensure you can stop it in time. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Xbox account using your console or the Xbox app on your device. Make sure you are using the account that initiated the transaction. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Go to the Settings menu, then select Account. From there, find the Transaction History option to view your recent purchases and pending transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In your transaction history, look for the specific transaction that is pending. It should be marked as such, allowing you to identify it easily. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the purchase and options available. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. If the option is available, select Cancel or request cancellation. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm the cancellation of the transaction. If you encounter any issues or the cancellation option is not available, consider contacting Xbox support for further assistance.